How to find DoorDash promo code. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find DoorDash promo codes. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open any browser. Search for DoorDash promo codes. Scroll down. Open this exact website, retailmenot.com DoorDash promo codes. Here you will see many promo codes and coupons. You will also see how many people use the coupon code. The more people use the code, the greater the chances are that the code will also work for you. This code looks like it is used by the most people today, so this code will probably work for you. Tap on it to see more details so you can check what things you need to do to be eligible to use this code. Here it says you need to place an order for over $15 and you can save up to $12 on your order if you use this code. So copy the code and at the time of checkout, make sure your order value is over $15 and apply this code to get the discount. Also make sure that the code is applied successfully and then place the order. So this is how you can find DoorDash promo codes.